Using some of this scrap elephant fabric, crepe polyester fabric, I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to attach binding, which can be used on necklines, armholes, etc. So what we're going to do, your binding is usually double folded, which means the edges are folded in and then they go ahead and fold it one more time for you, creating 2 folds. Okay, what I like to do is I like to line up my bias on the right side of the fabric with the right side of the bias and the fabric together. So we're going to pin this edge and then what we're going to do is sew along this crease here that was created when they created this bias tape. So step 1 is to pin with the right sides together, and then step 2 will be to sew along this crease here. Once you have sewn your bias tape to the right side of your fabric, we're going to go ahead and flip your fabric over to the wrong side. Place this seam allowance here inside your bias, and then we're just going to move this fold over. Now, if you just wanted to create a binding, this would be all you do. Just fold that tape over. See if you can see it here. Right, enclosing your seam allowance, and just sew along the folded edge here, right? Or you could top stitch. Or what I will be doing is I'm going to fold that all the way over and then sew along this edge here, which would create your neck, right? Your neck binding or armhole, to where you have like a clean finish like that. You'll see what I'm doing. So I'm working on a project where I am doing that here. Let's see, this is the neckline, right? And I will be sewing along this folded edge so that my neckline is clean and finished. Once you have top stitched and sewn along your folded edge, your binding should look something like this. Thank you for watching, and please let me know in the comments if you have any other suggestions on videos and tutorials that you would like to see.